Hey everyone, today I'm creating this golden royal purple and gold glam look. If you love soft glam makeup, keep watching. So I already primed and set my eyes, and now I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes. The first is the Cara Beauty Stroke of Midnight eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that gold shade, yellow gold shade, and put that on the first half of my eyes. Then I'm going to take the Morphe by Avani Gregg for the Bebs eyeshadow palette. Then I'm going to take that second shade and put that on the other half of my eyes. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Now I'm moving on to my face, and I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use a Juvia's Place Bronzer in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronzer other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I had those concealers at. For my all-over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Face Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette. I'm going to take that first shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Revolution Beauty Pineapple Highlighter. For lips, I'm using the Essence Extreme Shine Lip Gloss in Sparkling Purple and the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Golden Royalty makeup tutorial and loved how it came out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a Glam upload. See you in the next video. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.